pivot. God sat me down and talked to me, I listened. I was in that cell, he told me that I'm gifted. I don't make it in the booth, then I'ma make it in the kitchen. I'm special with the mic, special with the whipping. I ran out of money, had to pay attention to all the people that were around me. They ain't have my best interest. You ain't have my best interest. You lazy with your loyalty and your position, and now I gotta execute cause you don't listen.
Guys, I'm here with Brandon right now. Seriously Driven. Welcome to the channel. Now we riding his 335 as you've already seen before. It looks really good. Just start from the beginning. When did you get it and all that good stuff?
I got the car probably about 6 months ago. I found a steal. I was looking for a 6-speed coupe with low miles for the longest, and they're really hard to find. For people that have this car, they know the 6-speed is hard to find, especially in good condition, low miles.
Yeah, I know, because I researched them, and all the ones you wanted to find, especially at a decent price, like under 10K, they all had like 130, 40,000 miles on it, so.
It's kind of crazy, but I was able to, after searching for months, I was finally able to find this one, a guy on Craigslist, and he really needed to sell it, so I ended up getting a really good deal on it, and I've loved it ever since. So
how many miles did you buy it with?
I had 79,000 miles, which is not bad for a 2009 for this model.
79,000?
Yeah, 79,000 miles.
It was almost 10 years old when you bought it.
Yeah, exactly. So that's pretty good. That's pretty good.
So it was baby? Like, was its maintenance kept upright too?
He had just replaced the front main seal, the serpentine belt, he did a bunch of maintenance on the car. He just replaced the water pump. So definitely, that's the thing you want to look for when getting one of these cars, is if it's been maintained, and also if they put genuine BMW parts on the car as well.
So you got it. So basically, he did the 100,000 mile service to it, and that probably would have cost you about $3 grand with parts and labor, something like that. So you got to avoid all that and just got a car good.
I mean, these cars, the biggest thing is maintenance. If you don't maintain them, they'll be pieces of shit, basically. But as long as you maintain them, they're gonna treat you right, and they'll be fast, definitely. So.
Yeah, that's what's up then. So, do you mind telling us how much were you able to get this car for?
I was able to get this car for $10,000.
Oh my God.
10,000.
10,000.
The guy really needed to see it. He wanted, I think, 14,500. But yeah, it's just a long story. I mean, he had a bunch of people bullshitting, and he really needed to sell the car, so I ended up making him an offer, and he took it.
Where'd you buy it from?
It was a guy on Craigslist.
No, I mean, did you have to travel local? Like, did you go locally?
It was in Virginia Beach. I live in Hampton, so.
So that was perfect.
I didn't travel far. Yeah, it worked out.
It was God's plan.
Yeah, it was, definitely.
Yeah, that's what's up. So what mods have you done to the car?
Well, the previous owner actually did a bunch of stuff to it. That was another reason why I wanted to buy the car. I have a lot of plans for it, but right now it's basically a full bolt-on car. It's got downpipes, it's got an upgraded intercooler. It's got a stage 2 clutch. It's got, your intakes. What else? I said intercooler.
Yeah.
It's got a stage 2 plus tune. That's the biggest thing, is the MHD tune.
And you also said something about a JB tune too, right?
I have a JB4 that came with the car, but it's not currently installed.
Oh, okay.
The guy, he said he put it on, but he didn't like it. He ended up liking MHD a lot better.
So it's the MHD one. Is that the one that you can control like the verbal to it?
Yeah. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but we got some verbal going on.
That just sounds crazy. Oh, let's roll the window down a little.
Yeah, let's roll it down a little bit. We do a little pull right here.
Yeah.
A little second gear.
God damn. Hey, that jump pull was crazy.
Yeah, that was a little 0 to 80 right there.
That was 80?
You gotta be careful in this shit. You gotta be careful.
You're so like a roller coaster, bro.
Yeah, I know.
Damn. Wait, so how many horsepower is it pushing to the wheels?
Right now it's at I haven't dynoed the car, but running 18 PSI with the mods that I have, it should be around 400 to the wheels.
God damn.
We're going John's neighborhood. Yeah, it should be pushing around 400 to the wheels. Oh, it also has a upgraded charge pipe and blow-off valve. I think I forgot to say that.
Yeah, that blow-off is nasty.
Yeah.
That just sounds like a truck. Oh my god.
My baby, I love it. I got a lot of plans for it. I want to do a turbo upgrade eventually. That's coming this summer.
Yeah.
I told you I've got M3 side skirts. I'm getting put on the car next week.
So okay, so let's say the springtime is coming up next, right?
Yeah.
So you plan on going cosmetic, or are you trying to?
I want to do a little bit of both. I mean, the car's on coilovers already. It's on KW coilovers, and it's got the Apex wheels.
Man, this one got everything.
I know, man. That's why I bought it. I was like, it's got everything that's done to the car is things I would have done already, and now I'm just gonna add to it.
You got to save the time and the money. Can you get that blow off again? It's crazy.
Upgraded fuel pump, stage 2 fuel pump. I want to do.
So if you upgrade the fuel pump, it's gonna start pushing more boost, right?
Yeah, it'll just for higher horsepower numbers, you want to have more fuel to go along with it. So if I want to like upgrade the turbos, I'll be pushing more horsepower. So I don't want the engine to be starved of fuel.
Yeah.
So we want to, and the fuel pump's kind of a weak point on these cars, the high pressure fuel pump.
Oh, so they be going bad?
Sometimes, yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, they're known to go bad. This car's still under warranty for the fuel pump, actually.
Are you serious?
I think.
God dang.
It's like 10 years, so I'm coming up right on it. It's 2018, so 2019, 2009, so I was about to be out of warranty, but.
Ooh, with traction.
Yeah, that's.
Traction control is on too, right?
Nah, I just turned it off.
Oh, it's
that's
off.
Why, yeah, that first pull, traction control was still on, so that was, that might have not been the full power. Yeah.
That don't sound good. That don't just had to breathe, it had to exhale. I love this show. I like it a lot.
Appreciate it. Yeah, I love it too, man. I've got my other car, a 350Z, and I thought that car was fast.
Yeah.
When I got this car, I was like, holy shit, man.
Boy, the boost makes a huge difference.
It does.
Especially with the V6. Oh, is this inline 6?
It's an inline 6.
Inline 6.
Inline 6 twin turbo. Yeah, a lot of people do single turbo. They put a single turbo kit on it. It's kind of like the 2J, the 2JZ. They're very similar engines. How they come.
Yep.
It's a 3-liter inline 6, and they come with twin turbos from the factory. A lot of people do a single turbo. I haven't decided if I'm gonna do big single or upgraded twins. It's kind of up in the air. A big single would be a little bit more money.
But it's funny that you say it's kind of like a 2JZ, because a lot of people compare this motor, the N54, to the 2JZ.
They do.
So.
Yeah, they call it the German 2J.
Yeah. Yep. I used to just be a huge guy on, you suck if you gotta go boost, or, it's better to build a motor and be fast that way instead of getting boost. But now I see why people like boost so much.
That's just fun, man.
It's so much fun. It's a different experience, because when you got NA, it could be fast, but it don't get there as fast as it could, like a boosted car can. So that's one thing, and them G-forces is crazy.
Yeah, when that shit kicks in, man, it's like, it puts you in the seat, for sure.
I love this shit. Tell us what's under the hood, Brandon.
This is basically your power plant. This is the M54 inline 6 twin turbo. The Burger Motorsports dual cone intake. A lot of times on cars, intakes don't make like a big difference, but on turbo cars, they make a little bit more, letting those turbos breathe. This is the upgraded charge pipe blow-off valve.
Thank you for showing us the car, Brandon. I love the car.
Thank you.
335 definitely changed my mind on like boost. Like I used to be against boost, like all NA. I want the biggest motor. That's all that matters. Nah, boost is a whole new game, and you just taught me a lot. The blow-off valve sounds good. The exhaust sounds amazing, and the horsepower is great. So for 400 wheel horsepower, I love it. So thank you once again.
Yeah, bro.